In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to specific projects in Todoist. Assigning tasks to the right project is one of the easiest ways to keep your to-do list organized and actually usable. Instead of having everything piled into one big list, you'll be able to see exactly what belongs to work, personal life, or any specific project you're managing. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that step by step, starting right from the Todoist interface. First, open Todoist and look at the left-hand sidebar. At the very top of that panel, you'll see Inbox. Go ahead and click on Inbox. Think of the inbox as the default landing place for new ideas or quick tasks. We're going to start here so that we can create a new task, then move it into the exact project where it belongs. Once you're in the inbox view, look for the Add Task button. This is usually near the bottom or top of the task list area, depending on your layout. Click on Add Task. This opens a small task creation panel where you can enter all the details. In the task name field, type in the name of your task. Make it clear and action-based. So instead of something vague like presentation, you might write finish slides for client presentation. You can keep it short, but descriptive enough that you'll know what it means later without having to think about it. Now, just below or beside the task name, you'll see that the task is currently assigned to your inbox. Click on the word inbox there. This is actually a project selector. When you click it, a list of all your available projects will appear. From that list, select the project you want this task to belong to. You might see categories like work, personal, or specific project names you've created. Choose the one that best matches what this task is about. Once you click the project, you'll see that its name replaces inbox in the task panel, confirming that the task will be saved to that project instead of the general inbox. To finish up, click on Add Task again to save it. Todoist will now create the task directly inside the project you selected. If you open that project from the sidebar, you'll see your new task sitting there, ready to be scheduled, prioritized, or checked off when you're done.